All right, all right. What you're looking at is a 3/4 steel stock, 6 feet long. Put a point on it with many nice point ridges on there. It goes in about a foot into this 3/4, no, 1 inch copper tubing. It's 6 feet long. This is 1 1/4 PVC. It's 6 feet long, and it goes into this 3/4 PVC. It's 10 feet long. So we have 10, 6, another 6 is 22, and then we have another 6 is 28 feet. We'll have this up in the air. The object here is, we're going back to one of Ben Franklin's experiments, which he would take, he was in this electrostatics. He would take and make a point out of a piece of metal, and he was known for lightning rods. So this is how he made his lightning rods. And the object here we're going to do is, this is going to attract electrostatic. Since my last experiment I did with the PMH, I'd seen that there's electrostatic, a lot of it, but there's also a small dose of electromagnetic. So that would be that there's some current that's being driven through the way I had that set up. So, which here, what I'd like to do is collect electrostatic in the pipe, and it goes about a foot into this copper, and at this area of the copper, we would do a electromagnetic field. So what I think what would happen is not only would the top be collecting static at the point, but it'd be like a dipole also because of the copper inductor. Now where the dipole starts and ends, I'm not really sure, but I would assume that up top would be one end and the bottom of the iron would be the other end, which this copper is a conductor, so it will travel down. I'm going to hook a wire up to this and stick that about a foot inside here, and we're going to stick it up right along. Got my other one up there, but I'm trying to get away from that tree a little bit, so I stick it up right here on this pole and just attach it, and this way everything on that metal is isolated from everything, ground, everything. All right, guys, leave your comments. Then we'll talk about what we're going to do with that electrostatic that we collect. Bye-bye.